Welcome friends. In this tutorial, we will be learning about virtual PC. If you do a Google search on virtual PC, you'll find out many solutions. Out of them, we have chosen Oracle VM VirtualBox, which is completely free and open source. Oracle VM VirtualBox is a virtual PC software, or better we can say a virtual machine. You can download it from virtualbox.org. I have already downloaded and installed it in my computer. VirtualBox is very comprehensive virtual machine which we will be covering in this title. A virtual machine is a machine inside your operating system. So your operating system is called host operating system, and the operating system which you installs in your virtual machine or virtual PC is called the guest operating system. I am having Windows 7 operating system right now, in which I have installed this VirtualBox. I'm just opening that, and here you'll find several options. As you can see, I have one virtual machine which name is Windows XP. If you want to look ahead and learn all these interfaces, you can do it from the help given here. I'll just start this machine. It will take some time to boot up the operating system. And as you can see, we are now running Windows XP. So we are still into our host operating system, which is this Windows 7, in which we have installed Oracle VM, and inside what we are running Windows XP. So it is fascinating. Operating system inside an operating system. And as you can see, we have now loaded the Windows XP. So in this way, you can install your own application and operating systems into virtual computer. It acts just as your simple computer. Now I will shut down this machine. Here you'll find out all the specifications of this machine that we have created. It is running Windows XP, having this much memory, disk space, storage, audio, network, and all other specifications that you can specify while creating the virtual machine. So this was a quick introduction on virtual machines and what they can do for you. Thank you.